side. I know you're not used to that. Tracking out to the orange. Out to this side. Tight turn.
Okay.
Your side. My side. Let's go.
I can assist.
Yep. Lifting all the way to the orange cone. Very late apex.
Okay.
Tracking out. Yep. All the way up to the grade. And now we can go.
That's crazy acceleration.
Yes, it is.
Wow.
It's naturally aspirated, no turbo.
The brakes are also very sharp.
Yes, sir. Brake. Turning in. Here's that tight carousel. Looking for the next green. Next green. There's the orange cone out there. Lifting. Just a touch on the brakes. Turning into the green. To the green, back out to the red. Roll on. Brake, pull back. Turn in, up to the orange. You're gonna brake. Wait, turn in. Go ahead. Not too much, not too much. There we go. Let's do that up the hill. Be careful on those S's though.
Yeah.
Okay, and your side. Track out to my side. Let's get on the throttle as you open the wheel. Perfect. Wait, now go. Wait, now go. Wait, to the yellow cones. Go. Good. Your side, my side. Roll on the throttle. My side. You're good. Lifting, braking, all the way to the orange cones. You're fine. To the green. Tracking out to the orange cone. Let's get on the gas. Great, man. I love it. It's
scary.
Not too much. Break. Left, release, go. Go ahead. Break. Turn in the hill. All the way up. Break. Wait, release. Turning in. Rolling on the throttle just a little. Rolling on the throttle just a little. Looking for the next set of orange cones. Gas. Inside to your side. Back to my side. Roll. We're going to pit in after this.
Oh, okay.
Okay, turning to the left, to your right, to my side. Left, brake, This time I want you to stay on the left side, your side, okay?
Okay.
Stay on your side. Perfect. Let's give it one more punch.
Wow.
Right here. Yep. Wait, he's gonna stop you here.
It's great.
How was that?
Wow.
Say hi.